Lots of loving cats for adoption. This is Nelson. Nelson's scared. He's a neutered male.
Indigo.
He's like, I don't want.
He's like, I know what that means.
Okay, can you leave that? He's just a hi, dude. It's okay. Okay. This is Tinker. Tinker's super sweet. She's a female. She's using her litter box. She's super sweet, beautiful calico. This is Roscoe. Hey Roscoe. Roscoe's super sweet. So cute. Look at that little nose. He's an intact male, so he'll need neutered. He's a super loving boy. He's super sweet. This is Mason. Mason's an intact male as well. Super sweet. He's feeling a little under the weather, but... Hi. Hi. Show him your tail. Show him your tail, handsome. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, I know. Super handsome cat. Okay, Katie's still here. Katie's a spayed female, 11 years old. She's current on all her shots, good with all, litter trained, not a dang thing wrong with her. She's been here for 2 months or so. Did that scare you? Hi, look at the little wisps on her ears. Little tufts at the top, if you can see her. Hi, sweetie pie. Her adoption is paid. You just have to contact me and with your love of paws. And we'll get you to her, but you know, she's perfect. Adoption fee is $20. She's as sweet as can be. She's awesome, I know. She's sick of it. This is Miggy. Miggy was doing really good, and now he's kind of climbed up. He's a little scared, but he's a neutered male, declawed, litter trained, good with cats, can test with dogs and kids. Hi, buddy. And I'm on my lunch break, so I don't have time to... Unfortunately, I don't have time to talk to every cat because I got to get back and I had to make tags. Anyway, this is Thomas. He's an intact male. He's been here since November 19th. This guy's awesome. I love Thomas. I know. He's a sweetie. He's a good boy. He needs a home. This is Sugar. Sugar. Neutered male, declawed, good with dogs and kids. He can test with cats, but he's been fine. He's a good boy. He's very cute. All white except for the spot on the ear, and then a little spot on the belly there, and then keep going, and then the tail. So, a white cat dipped in paint. It's Crackers. Crackers is super friendly, super pretty, well taken care of. I know, sweetness. She's a spayed female, declawed, good with all. She likes to talk. Tell us something, Crackers. Kitty, kitty, kitty. Talk. She was talking up the storm, but... This is Bella. Hi, Bella. Spayed female, declawed, litter trained. Doesn't care for other female cats. Should be great for an established family or somebody that lives alone. Look at her face, it's so pretty. Bella, kitty, kitty. Hi, sweetie, she's got blue eyes. She's a really good girl. And then on the bottom here, this is Karma. Hi, Karma. She's medium. Haired female. I know we can test with dogs, cats, and kids. She's a sweetie. She's under a year old. She's a pretty girl. She's a pretty girl. Pretty and fluffy. So there's Karma. And again, Nelson. And then again, this is Tinker. Tinker, take a bath. Take a bath. Okay. Roscoe, Mason, everybody's taking naps. Katie, Maggie, Thomas, Sugar, Crackers, Bella, lots and lots of cats.